Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking these Coach sunglasses model HC8217 in color code 544387. The color of the frame is black. On the temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a square shape. On its temple, you'll find the Coach logo in gold. On both sides, the lenses are also gray. On its inner right temple, you'll again find the Coach logo and the model number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the color code and the dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 20 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The Coach logo is also engraved on its top left lens. The glasses also come with a Coach hard case, a black Coach cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. Its manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.